I know.
You should. It's like poking my head from mid. Oh! I forgot basic. Well, too bad. Yeah.
Oh, no, I just said
What? Where is this one?
Tell me when.
Juanita.
You almost dropped it.
No, I want to do it like for you. Like on there.
Ever wonder how that muscle works?
The brain transfers signals in the form of action potentials through the nervous system, making its way to the motor neuron. In the situations of some reflexes that occur, the signal to contract can originate from the spinal cord, which makes its way to the feedback loop. Okay, so the yellow represents the axon terminal right here. These little blues are the synaptic vesicles. This is the SR. This is the T-tubule. This is the synaptic cleft. This is the sarcoplasm in here. These are the calcium ions right here, these little green things. These are the mitochondria. And that is the sarcolemma. So the steps for muscle contraction are as follows. The sarcolemma gets an impulse from the brain. The impulse travels along the sarcolemma and down the T-tubules. From there, it goes to the SR. As the impulse travels along the SR, the calcium goes to the membranes of the SR. Then the calcium diffuses out of the SR to the myofilaments. Then the calcium fills the binding sites in the troponin. Tropomyosin moves. The movement of the tropomyosin lets the myosin head contact the actin. The myosin head then swivels. The myosin head is now firmly connected to the actin, making the muscle contract. So this is what the muscle looks like in the relaxed state. And the process for that, the sarcolemma and the T-tubules repolarize, and the calcium within the SR is pumped out. Calcium is returned to the SR terminal. The actin and myosin crossbridge detaches. The tropomyosin returns to the binding site. Magnesium forms a complex with ATP. The ATP is created by the muscle cells as a result of creatine phosphate transferring its phosphate group directly onto the ADP. Then, passive